In this part, we are going to learn how to bill students. We are still under students' bills. Therefore, here we go. After registering our students, then we are going to bill. We are going to establish a billing system. We are going to bill each student accordingly. So we can click again on students' bills. Then we look for the class which we want to bill. For example, P2 already, where we have some pupils. Then we have several ways of billing these students. One, if we want to use what we call add bill bulk. Here, this system is used when all the students are in the same class and are in the same section. For example, if all these students are in lower section and all of them are boarding students, that's when we are going to give them or to bill them in a bulky way, whereby each student is going to be allocated a certain amount of money which is equal to the rest of the others, since they are all in boarding. They are in lower section but boarding, or they are in lower section but day, or they are in upper section boarding, or but upper section day. But note, the class, before we bill, we have to consider the class. Which class are we billing? So if we have different pupils from different sections, for example, we have, this is lower section, P2, but we have those ones from boarding and day. What we do, we right click on a student and we go to account profile. Once you go to account profile, we have to note the following. One, note the term where you are billing your students from. For example, first term. If you bill them if you provide bills for the third term when they are in the first term, when you are paying, that bill won't be reflected, because when you are paying, you have to choose a term which the students are paying for. For example, now we are seeing the details of the student or a pupil, genetic, sex female, admission number, that one, tail, address, then a term, first term, for example. Then bill account. We are going to bill this account. Yes. We click, we have the new bill button here. We have other buttons: pay bills, bill account, transactions, gift items. We shall look at these ones later. Now we are billing students. We are providing what they have to pay individually. Yes, bill name, total due, quantity, rate, quantity received, total payment, balance. So, new bill, that bill has to be, this is first term. Our bill again should indicate first term. Yes. Bill, is it fees lower section, boarding, or the drop down button, or the items, what we call bill item, the account items which we created previously will be reflecting here, and from those items that we are going to bill students. For example, it is lower section boarding. the lower section boarding, they had their amount. For example, lower section boarding, according to the amount you charge, you might be charging 400. Yes. Term, first term. The student, this one here is in lower section, but boarding section. Yes, that one might be charging, for example, 500. Yes, you add a bill to that student. Once you add a bill, you notify bill summary here. The bill summary will be activated. Total amount due, total payment, total balance, paid, balance, percentage recovery, all of them will be reflecting and they have a meaning. So if, for example, that one we have finished. If there are any other items which you want to bill this student, you must have included them in the accounts section. You have to come this way, accounts, manage accounts, and you add that account here. You add that item here. For example, if you want to bill those students sports, that is an income, you add, successfully added. Okay, you come back here, you look for P to read, then we are billing Janat. Okay, right click, account profile, bill account, new bill. Yes, sports. When you click on sports, how much do you bill? This must be first term. Yes, if it is, for example, 30, add bill. So whatever you bill a student has to be first registered in the accounts items section. Because if it is not registered there, you can't bill it. You can't bill that student that item. So that is how we bill students, and we are going to come back to see, for example, we can bill another one also. For example, if this one is in a lower section, they right click, account profile, bill account, term, third term, first term, bill account, first term. Yes, then this one is the lower section, but today you may be, for example, charging 130. You may be also charging sports 30 and the bill. So that's how we bill students in the system. Thank you.